Ever hit send a little too fast and need to undo a Western Union money transfer? Don't panic. This video will guide you through the exact steps to cancel your Western Union transaction online, giving you peace of mind first. Make sure your transfer is eligible for cancellation. You can only cancel if the receiver hasn't yet picked up the money or if it hasn't been deposited into their bank account. Now, let's jump in. Log into your Western Union account on their website. Use your username and password. Once you're logged in, find your transaction history. It's usually located on your account dashboard, often labeled as history or transaction history. Locate the specific transaction you want to cancel. Select the transaction and look for a cancel transfer option. It may also be worded as stop transfer or something similar. Click on that option. If you don't see a cancel option, it means the receiver might have already received the money. Next, you'll likely be prompted to provide a reason for the cancellation. Choose the most appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Honesty is key. Review all the details carefully. Once you're sure, confirm the cancellation request. You might need to enter your password again for security reasons. After submitting the cancellation, keep an eye on your email. Western Union will send you a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. If you don't receive one or have any issues, contact Western Union customer service directly. Their phone number and contact options are usually available on their website. The refund process usually takes a few business days. The funds will be returned to the original payment method you used for the transfer, and that's it. You've successfully canceled your Western Union transaction. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.